Hey guys, Pablo here. Thanks for coming and also welcome back. So I've been waiting for this for a very long time. Finally got them. So what we got today is the Solgaard Solar Boombox as well as the Solgaard Solar Juicepack. And if you like this video or want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're going to unbox them today and my first impressions after I use it for a little while. Probably make a second follow-up video after I've used it for a couple of weeks or so. You guys saw the video that I made back in February when I got the home base. Now this completes the home base and Solar Boombox ecosystem. It's the home base, the Solar Juicepack, as well as the Solar Boombox. So I'm gonna unbox these and then we're gonna use them for a little bit and see how they hold up, if they were worth it or not. Let's get right into the unboxing. So we have the Solar Juicepack here, we have the Solar Boombox here. We're gonna start with the Solar Juicepack. It says our 2-in-1 mighty yet compact power bank and solar powered unit. Has 15,000 milliamp hour battery life, lightweight design. Let's open it up. There we are. Solgaard Exploring for Good. Alright, so it has wireless charging. It has 4G solar power, which is pretty cool because this is the fourth generation. It says it's the fourth generation solar panel, harvests power best in direct sunlight. However, you can still generate some power on a cloudy day. So here we are. This here. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Cables here, some instructions, nice little box. It says this box is 100% recycled and recyclable packaging, 0% single-use plastic, renewable energy wherever you go. It is waterproof. It's IPX7. So it can be submerged in a depth of 1 meter of water up to 30 minutes, which is really nice. Let's put the box over here. So we have features, wireless power, tells you where all the the power button. We have the solar panels here. Let's see where we have the cover, because you do have some ports as well. Alright, so what you have are two USB-A's and a USB-C as well. It's really nice. This is the power on, power off button. So what's really nice about this is that it is made from recycled ocean plastic. So this piece over here, the outer edge here, is made from something called shore plast, and then this right here, this like meshy textile here, it's called Shore-Tex. So this is pretty unique in how it's made and the fact that it comes from ocean plastic, which is really nice. So we're gonna see how well it works. So let's take this off here. I'm gonna use it for a little bit. Alright, so we took this off. Take a little sticker on the juice pack here, and as you can tell, it did leave like little residue. Try to take it off. I'm not sure. I guess I can use a little water on here, kind of See if I can get the stuff off. Otherwise, maybe glue on. I just don't want to put any chemicals on this and ruin it. So I wonder if I got to get it charged before I can actually start using it. And in each, so if this is full, you can get about 4 to 5 phone charges. It does say it has fast wireless charging up to 10 watts, but that's only for Samsung. It's 7.5 watts for iPhone, and then 5 watts for everything else. It automatically charges in sunlight. So even if it's cloudy, it says it will still charge, but it's best on a very sunny day. 4 hours of sunlight gives you a 25% charge to your phone. It's pretty lightweight. Nice little unit. So you know you always have power when you have this thing around. So this is a Solar Juicepack. Gonna put this to the side. Now we're gonna unbox the Boombox. So here we are. Wireless charging as well, got Bluetooth 5. This one has a 12,000 milliamp hour battery, 4G solar as well, 96 hours of playback. It is a Bluetooth speaker, so it's a 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker, power bank, and solar charger. So while this one here is just a 2-in-1, you know, your power bank and solar powered unit, this one adds sound. This is a speaker, so I did get the whole ecosystem from Kickstarter, the home base, the Boombox, as well as the juice pack. So let's open this up. Similar unboxing, just a little bit bigger. And here is, so as you can tell, it's definitely wider than the other one, you know, having the speakers in there. Same sticker here, which will most likely leave a residue on the solar panels that are back here, which we'll have to clean up. You have your user manual. And your charging cable. Alright, same with this one. Made from short Plast and short Tex. I'm not sure if those two materials are proprietary to Solgaard, but I do know that they use them in quite a few of their products, and I do like the fact that it's sustainable. So this one's also pretty lightweight. You have your power on button here, volume up, volume down. Let's see if we have anything else on this side. Again, you have a USB A and USB C here. You have an aux as well. Manual. Open that up. And here we have the it says press the power button once, check battery levels. USB charger, so full charge approximately 3 hours. Wireless charger, full charge approximately 13 hours. So here they are both together. They're roughly the same size and length. Width is where they differ. Height same, but the width, it's like having two juice packs together to make one boombox. Kind of interesting that this little like hook here is on this side for this one and over here for this one, because they both have the inputs here, or they have the USB connections here. So you can also put this on the other side. So with that being said, you can wirelessly charge, but you can also connect your devices to charge as well. So that's really nice. Little rubber kind of feet over here so it doesn't slip. This one doesn't have it since you won't be, for the most part, you won't be having it standing upright. You'll probably having it laying down. But this one, you would have it because of the speakers firing out this way. So I'm gonna play around with both of these things, use them for a little while, and I'll probably make another video on my experiences with both the Juicepack and the Boombox. Hey guys, so let's do a giveaway. When we get to 500 subscribers on the channel, I'll be giving away an Echo Show 5. So all you have to do, and I'm gonna put the information down in the description, is subscribe to the channel. Also leave your Instagram handle as well, because that's how I'll be reaching out to you. And also follow me on Instagram at Crux of Tech. Like I said, all the information will be down in the description. Let's get to 500. Randomly chosen winner will get a brand new Echo Show 5. You guys know exactly what to do. If you enjoyed this video, got something out of it, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I would definitely appreciate it. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, just put them down below. I love hearing from you. I love interacting with you. And like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye.